Today we're going to learn how to draw a car. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil for this and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. Let's begin by drawing 2 parallel lines in the middle of your page for our guideline. In between these lines, mark out 2 circles that are of the same size. These will be our wheels. Next, we're going to draw a rectangle. Begin by drawing the baseline going through our circles. Then, draw a short line going up, across, and back down to join the end of our line. On top of our rectangle, we're going to draw a square that is roughly centred. Next to this shape, we're going to draw a skinnier rectangle. Then, on our original rectangle, find the line that goes through the wheels. Using this line as a central point, draw a long, skinny rectangle that is slightly longer than the first rectangle. Now it's time to switch to our black pen for the outline and finer details. Firstly, with your pen, draw around the wheels. Add in a smaller circle inside the bigger circles to form the tyres. Next, we're going to work from the roof down. Draw along our roof, but miss out the corners, as we want a nice curved shape to our car. Draw a diagonal line joining to the top of our first rectangle. Draw slightly along our rectangle, then repeat our curved corners by drawing a curved downwards line to our skinny rectangle, which will be the bonnet of the car. Now we can repeat this on the other side. Draw a diagonal line down, along our rectangle, then down to our boot. When reaching the end of the line, curve under to draw along the bottom line of the rectangle. Next, we can mark out our door. Follow the line down that connects our square to the rectangle. Then we can draw in our windows by following the lines used to outline the car. To complete the car, we can add in our boot, a little door handle, and a headlight. Wait for the pen to dry and you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a car. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out to see what else you can draw with a few simple shapes.